I don't know, I just kind of feel like I'm filling in my brows with a Sharpie. So today I'll be testing out a new brow product from Maybelline. This is the Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen. So I was not going to test this out because from what I understand, it's the same product that's in this tube here, which I tested out earlier this year, and it really wasn't my favorite, mainly because, I don't know, whoever designed the packaging really wasn't thinking, for lack of a better word. I mean, the product is pretty decent. It's just in execution, getting it on your brows, it's really, really messy. The color is a little off for me. I prefer, because I have black eyebrows, I prefer products that are actually black, not deep brown. Brown, obviously, with like blue-black hair just looks off. But what really turned me off to this was the packaging. It just really didn't make for a precise brow. So I wasn't really too terribly excited to try this one because I figure, okay, the product is exactly the same and I really didn't care for the product before, but I was curious about this one just based on the packaging alone, so I figured, what the heck, let's just give it a try. So I purchased the exact same shade as I did the last time, deep brown, because there was no black available. So, and this product is available in 4 different shades. It's available in deep brown, soft brown, medium brown, and blonde. And on the website, it says, Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen fills in eyebrows with natural looking hair-like strokes that last up to 24 hours. Achieving perfectly defined, natural looking brows has never been easier. Our first eyebrow tinting pen features an exclusively designed multi-pronged tip that delivers the look of natural hair-like strokes instantly. Our long-lasting formula delivers up to 24-hour wear that is smudge-proof and transfer-proof. So if you're enjoying this video while you're watching it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the Maybelline Tattoo Pen and how it applies and wears throughout the day, don't go anywhere, just keep watching. So I've been reading some of the reviews online, and some of them make me a little nervous. Apparently, people have been complaining about their eyebrows turning green. I'm not kidding. This person says, so I read these reviews and I thought that there was no way that it could turn color. I was wrong. I like how it applied initially. Although how I had to hold it was awkward. Cut to an hour later, my brows had turned slightly blue. Cut to a few hours after that, my coworker confirmed they turned teal. Oh, this one's cute. Well, I bought this today and by the time I got home, my eyebrows were green. I didn't notice until my 7-year-old said, Mama, you're the Hulk. This person says, really? You don't know about it? This is so wrong. Bought this today in deep brown and after I tried it, my brows became blue-green. I hope they're wrong because I'm preparing myself for blue-green brows. Angle microcomb tip across brows to draw hair-like strokes from anchor to tail. Repeat if desired. Ooh, flammable until dry. Do not use near fire, flame, or heat. Okay, I don't plan to. I'm not sure why this was necessary, but you know that this was put on this product because somebody actually tried this. Never apply this product in a moving vehicle. Okay, well, I've never put on makeup in a moving vehicle, but good to know. So I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit so you can see how I apply this. Okay, hopefully this isn't too uncomfortably close. Okay, so it's really not that deep of a color. I was expecting something that was really a lot more intense. I'm gonna have to be quiet while I do this because I can't do brows and talk at the same time. So that's the brow that I applied it to. That's the brow without. So there's, like I said before, there's really not that much color that comes out of this thing. So if you're looking for like a really intense brow, you're probably not gonna get what you're looking for with this pen. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the really intense Instagram brows, but I don't know. I think I need a little bit more than what this product is providing. I don't really see that much of a difference. Oh my god, the color's making me nervous. I'm so scared I'm gonna end up with green brows. I get what they were trying to do with this pen, but what is in here is nothing compared to what's in here. I mean, this one doesn't seem to have enough pigment, and this one has way too much pigment. They have to find something that's a healthy balance between the two of these. Maybe if they put this one with a mini mascara type of wand, it would be better. I don't know, I just kind of feel like I'm filling in my brows with a Sharpie. It doesn't really seem to be doing anything, and I'm hoping to God that these don't turn green later. So I'll check in with you guys in 5 hours. Hopefully my brows are not like flaming green or anything. And I'll let you know how this product is holding up. The time is 4:13. So the good news is my brows haven't turned green, although for whatever reason, that one seems a little bit more pronounced than that brow there, which is surprising considering there really wasn't much product that came out of the pen. Yeah, that one is definitely a harsher brow. I don't know, this one is like filling in your brows with a magic marker. It really doesn't do that much else. It's like it's worn away on the tail or something. Weird. Right now, I just can't see myself reaching for this one again. I think there are much better brow products out there, but we still have 5 hours to go. So I will check in with you guys later on tonight. So the time is 9:01. So the good news is I don't have green brows. That's a plus. Overall, I just really wasn't too impressed with this one. This was a really expensive drugstore product, and it just kind of felt like an over-glorified marker to me. I thought the formula that was in that pen would be the same formula that was in the tattoo ink that was in like the tube and released earlier this year, and it wasn't. They're nowhere near the same. The one in the tube had way too much pigment and was difficult to control, and this was just a marker. I don't know. This is one I wasn't impressed by. It was too expensive, there was no pigment, and it just felt like I was using a marker on my brows. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!